So it's day 2 and it is raining cats and dogs here since the morning, and I'm heading to KLCC. So, well, let's see, because I guess that's the only option that I have left. I was thinking of going to some other malls, check out some other places, shopping areas, but the rain is just played the spoiler. So I guess I'm just gonna head to the KLCC and see what can I buy there for myself and family. So yeah. So apparently it's been raining cats and dogs here. I'm standing at the base of Kuala Lumpur's iconic Petronas Twin Towers, and I guess I won't be visiting any other malls because this is the closest to my hotel. So I'm here again, probably gonna take some souvenirs and I don't know, some clothes for my family and myself. So yeah, I really wanted to visit about 2Ks, but I guess maybe next time. Okay. Hey, pitchy. With my throat like this, I think I'm scaring them off. Hey, pigeons. Oh God, I don't want them to fly on me, because you know pigeons, when they do fly, it's just a hullabaloo. There's some sort of celebrations going on there. All right. So let's get into the KLCC park. I have this really old ancient tree. Oh, look at the twins. Oh, you know, these twin towers are taller than the twin towers that were attacked on 9/11 in New York City. And yesterday I actually went on to the observation deck, which was 86th floor. To imagine that, I mean, I was so scared, but to imagine that there were people at that height who were jumping or making a decision rather to either burn alive or jump to their deaths from that height, it scares me. But you know, God bless them, and you know, something like that should never happen again. But anyways, it's a beautiful place. Yeah. You know, look at this ancient tree. Oh, wow. Right. Okay. There is KLCC. The sitting area here. And right there, that's the Twin Towers. And the time is 9:31. There you can see it. So let's move towards that area. This grass is almost flat-leaved. Gosh, man, it's been raining a lot. Wait, let me try to cover my phone. I don't want it to malfunction or something, because I still have to make a flight report on my way back, so yeah. So, morning time, a lot of people taking photographs, and why not, because this spot is legit so good. Look at that. Attempt, if my camera doesn't play a spoiler and blurs out or brightens out the background, but I'm gonna try. So, yay! Oh yes, you can see it. Look at those. This is such a great spot to take a video and photographs. But I travel solo, so I don't have the luxury to have anyone. And I guess I'm too shy or too of an introvert to ask someone to take it for me. But I'm just glad that I was able to capture this moment. Yeah, look at those. They're so gorgeous, especially under the sun. They shine like diamonds because they're made of steel and glass. So yeah, and those pinnacles up there, absolutely stunning. Those two pinnacles, and they're taller than the Twin Towers that were there in the United States, which got destroyed in 9/11 attack. So yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful KL Tower. And these beautiful e-scooters everywhere. Now I'm back to the hotel. It's nice walking here, especially in a pleasant weather like this. So yeah. Look at those. Beautiful KL Tower and Merdeka 118. Second tallest building in the world.